Hi, welcome back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay. Today more G82 M4 talk. Our last video was on our car with the intakes. Make sure you watch it, they sound amazing. Today we've got David back in. David's a very good customer. He's had a number of cars done by us. The last one was actually a Jaguar F-Type we had in for wheels and detailing. This is his X-Drive G82 M4. We had it in about 2 weeks ago for IVAC springs, spacers and the Remus axle back race system with the black tailpipes, plus the carbon diffuser. This car is a non-carbon pack car, so non-ultimate pack, but he decided he wanted more. So we've got it in for the week. So we are changing the front canards out to the BMW single sort of thin carbon fibre. R44 front, R44 sides to match in the carbon. Side vents and the M4 decor, get rid of this horrible sort of satin black and add carbon there. Spoiler and detail, and last bit, maybe some wheels. So come back and check on it very shortly. So, what a transformation. I think I should have ordered a white car rather than bought this red one from Tony. Maybe next time. This car's come out really well. Martin's worked really hard, and I've said that in other vlogs, but this car and the paint work, because it was not brand new when he brought it, it was like the equivalent of a 4-year-old car. The swirl marks, especially in the black and in the white, just took a lot of time to prep. A lot of time to basically correct the paint before we could obviously apply crystal cerium light and then top it up with the EXO. But afterwards, transformed. The gloss on this thing is unreal. This car has come out so well, we're so pleased with it. So we'll do a quick walk around what we've done. So bumper come off, changed the grills and added the M Performance. Front canard, maybe you want to call it that, I'm unsure, but same as the Ultimate Pack car, so the front has the carbon pack to it. The R44 front and the sides look really aggressive. My first time doing a set of these and it looks good, nice fit up, well done lads. Side fenders where the M4, that was the only bit on the car, was like a matte black plastic, and I've still got them on mine and added this sort of carbon fibre trim to it. I think I'm going to be buying them. I think it'll be fairly popular. It's a nice little easy mod just to add on. Car was already lowered, already had the Remus axle back exhaust. We left that all in place. We have fitted the 20 and 21 inch Judd Model ones. This customer had these exact wheels on his Jaguar F-Top before, fell in love with the wheels, picked the car obviously white with the black wheels, but just wanted another set just to make it a bit more sort of stance, make it a bit more sort of personal. So off they come. These fit absolutely perfect. We worked yet again with Judd on this one, and they just fit perfect. The spacing, perfect, turning circle, perfect, look, perfect, ride, absolutely brilliant. This one's running good years. We couldn't get Michelin's front and rear tyre shortages at the minute. So it's a 295 20 21 rear. And if you can see, I know Jay's probably already laid some B-roll as well. It just fits perfect. Carbon rear spoiler, new shortened number plates. Just a complete, really complete looking car. Car gets handed over tomorrow, so we've got a little bit more time for some B-roll. So let us know what you think of this lovely, really lovely white G82 M4.